Today, let's explore the onion peel epidermis under the microscope. At magnifications of 40 and 125, we'll uncover its hidden intricacies and marvel at the beauty within. As we peer through the lens of the microscope, the onion peel epidermis unfolds before us, revealing its secrets in subtle nuances. At this lower magnification, the onion peel appears as a patchwork of translucent cells, each resembling a tiny hexagon under the lens. While we can discern their general shape and arrangement, finer details remain elusive at this level of magnification. However, as we adjust the focus and zoom in closer, a new world emerges. The cell walls come into sharper focus, delineating the boundaries between neighboring cells. Yet, finer structures such as chloroplasts and nuclei remain indistinct, hinting at their presence but not revealing their intricate forms. Even so, at 125 magnification, we begin to perceive the delicate textures and irregularities that adorn the surface of the onion peel. Tiny pits and ridges dot the landscape, adding depth and character to this seemingly uniform layer of cells. As we observe, we can't help but marvel at the hidden complexity nestled within the humble onion peel. Though some details may remain obscured at this level of magnification, the allure of discovery beckons us to delve deeper, to unlock the mysteries that lie just beyond the reach of our lenses.
Witness the intricate details and hidden beauty of everything from tiny organisms to everyday objects. Ready for a closer look? Check out our YouTube channel for more fascinating discoveries. Link in the bio. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to join the conversation and witness